The 2025 Chevrolet Impala Convertible is a modern revival of an iconic American classic, blending timeless design cues with contemporary technology and performance to cater to enthusiasts who appreciate both nostalgia and cutting-edge advancements. This new Impala Convertible offers a bold and stylish interpretation of Chevrolet's long-standing heritage in full-size vehicles, while bringing luxury and performance together in a highly appealing package. The exterior of the 2025 Impala Convertible is a striking fusion of classic and modern elements. It retains the long, flowing lines and muscular presence that have always been associated with the Impala name but incorporates updated details for a fresh, contemporary look. The front fascia is dominated by a large, imposing grille that reflects Chevrolet's latest design language, featuring a mesh pattern with chrome or blacked-out accents, depending on the trim level. The iconic bowtie emblem sits proudly at the center, flanked by sleek LED headlights that curve elegantly into the fenders. At the rear, the design continues to impress with a clean and minimalist aesthetic. The taillights are slim and horizontally aligned, featuring LED technology for a distinctive light signature. The rear bumper integrates dual exhaust outlets, which are accentuated by chrome tips, hinting at the performance capabilities of the car. The overall stance of the Impala Convertible is low and wide, contributing to its road presence and providing an athletic, yet elegant, look. Inside the 2025 Chevrolet Impala Convertible, the focus is on providing a luxurious, comfortable, and high-tech driving experience. Premium materials are used throughout the cabin, with leather upholstery available in a range of colors and finishes, including perforated leather for enhanced breathability. The seats are designed to provide excellent support during long drives while maintaining the comfort and cushioning expected from a full-size convertible. The dashboard layout is clean and driver-oriented, with a central touchscreen display that controls the infotainment system. The system is compatible with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless integration of smartphones for navigation, music, and communication. The Impala Convertible also offers a premium audio system, delivering crystal-clear sound, whether the top is up or down. Under the hood, the 2025 Chevrolet Impala Convertible offers a choice of two powertrains, catering to different driving preferences. The base engine is a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder that produces 250 horsepower and 260 lb-ft of torque. This engine is mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission and provides ample power for everyday driving, delivering smooth acceleration and a quiet ride. The 2025 Chevrolet Impala Convertible is a standout in the modern convertible market, offering a unique blend of classic styling, luxurious comfort, and cutting-edge technology. It caters to